In the grand theater of life, every individual possesses an extraordinary, often untapped reservoir of power within them. This isn't about physical strength or external resources, but the immense force of your mindset, the beliefs, attitudes, and perspectives that shape your reality. Today, we embark on a transformative journey to explore how you can unleash this inner power, cultivating a mindset that makes you truly unstoppable on your path to success. We'll delve into the secrets of those who have defied limitations and achieved the seemingly impossible, revealing how their internal landscape paved the way for their external triumphs. If you're ready to break free from self-imposed barriers and step into your greatness, this video is your guide. And for more insights on shifting your perspective and achieving your dreams, make sure to subscribe to The Shifted Lens. Now let's look at how your thoughts shape your destiny. Our minds are incredibly powerful tools, capable of building empires or erecting invisible prisons. The way you think, the stories you tell yourself, and the beliefs you hold about your capabilities directly influence your actions and, consequently, your results. This isn't some abstract philosophical concept. It's a fundamental principle of human achievement. Those who achieve extraordinary success often share a common mindset blueprint, one that embraces challenges, learns from failures, and relentlessly pursues growth. It's about understanding that your external world is a reflection of your internal state, and by mastering your thoughts, you can master your destiny. This blueprint isn't exclusive to a select few. It's accessible to anyone willing to do the inner work. Core components of an unstoppable mindset. Building an unstoppable mindset involves cultivating several key components. Each element reinforces the others, creating a powerful synergy that propels you forward. Component 1. Belief in limitless potential. At the heart of every great achievement lies an unwavering belief in one's own potential. This isn't arrogance, but a deep-seated conviction that you are capable of far more than you currently imagine. It means challenging limiting beliefs, those insidious thoughts that tell you you're not smart enough, talented enough, or worthy enough. Successful individuals understand that potential is not fixed. It's a dynamic force that expands with effort, learning, and persistence. They see themselves as works in progress, constantly evolving and capable of acquiring new skills and knowledge. To cultivate this belief, actively challenge negative self-talk, celebrate your past achievements, and surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Remember, your potential is not defined by your past, but by your willingness to grow. Component 2. Embracing failure as feedback. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone on the path to it. An unstoppable mindset views failure not as a definitive end, but as invaluable feedback. Every setback, every mistake, every misstep provides crucial information that can guide your next actions. Instead of dwelling on what went wrong, resilient individuals ask, "What did I learn from this? How can I do better next time?" This perspective transforms disappointment into data, allowing for continuous improvement and adaptation. It's about detaching your self-worth from your outcomes and understanding that true growth comes from embracing the learning process, even when it's uncomfortable. The most successful people have often failed more times than others have even tried. Component 3. Unwavering focus and clarity of vision. In a world brimming with distractions, the ability to maintain unwavering focus on your goals is a superpower. An unstoppable mindset is characterized by crystal clear vision, knowing exactly what you want to achieve and why it matters. This clarity acts as a compass, guiding your decisions and actions, and preventing you from being sidetracked by irrelevant pursuits. Once your vision is clear, relentless focus allows you to channel your energy and resources effectively. This involves setting priorities, eliminating distractions, and dedicating consistent effort to the tasks that move you closer to your objectives. Remember, where focus goes, energy flows and results show. Without a clear target, you're simply shooting in the dark. Component 4. Proactive action and personal responsibility. An unstoppable mindset is not passive, it's inherently proactive. It understands that you are the primary architect of your life, and that taking consistent, deliberate action is essential for progress. This means moving beyond wishing and hoping, and instead, actively creating the circumstances you desire. Personal responsibility is a cornerstone of this component. acknowledging that you are accountable for your choices, your reactions, and your results. It's about empowering yourself by recognizing that you have the power to respond to any situation, regardless of external circumstances. Blaming others or external factors only disempowers you. Embrace the power of choice and take ownership of your journey. Component 5. Cultivating gratitude and abundance. While often overlooked in discussions of success, gratitude and an abundance mindset are critical for sustained inner power. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's present, fostering a positive emotional state that attracts more good into your life. It's about appreciating the small victories, the lessons learned, and the support you receive. An abundance mindset, in contrast to a scarcity mindset, believes that there is more than enough for everyone, enough opportunities, enough resources, enough success. This perspective opens you up to collaboration, innovation, and seeing possibilities where others see limitations. By cultivating gratitude and abundance, you create a fertile ground for your inner power to flourish, attracting the very success you seek. Practical steps to unleash your inner power. Transforming your mindset is a continuous process that requires conscious effort and consistent practice. Here are actionable steps you can take to unleash your inner power. Identify and challenge limiting beliefs. The first step is to become aware of the limiting beliefs that are holding you back. These are often deeply ingrained assumptions about yourself, others, or the world that restrict your potential. Once identified, challenge them. Ask yourself, is this belief truly true? Where did it come from? How is it serving me? What evidence do I have to contradict it? Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. For example, if you believe, I'm not good enough, replace it with, I am capable of learning and growing, and I am worthy of success. Consistent effort in this area can dramatically shift your internal landscape. Practice positive affirmations and visualization. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reprogram your subconscious mind. They should be present tense, personal, and positive, e.g., I am confident and capable. Visualization involves vividly imagining yourself achieving your goals and experiencing the emotions associated with that success. Both practices help to reinforce new, empowering beliefs and create a mental blueprint for success. Consistency is key. Make affirmations and visualization a daily ritual, even for just a few minutes. Embrace discomfort and step outside your comfort zone. Growth rarely happens within the confines of your comfort zone. To unleash your inner power, you must be willing to embrace discomfort and intentionally step into new, challenging situations. This could be learning a new skill, taking on a difficult project, or engaging in conversations that push your boundaries. Each time you successfully navigate discomfort, you expand your capabilities and strengthen your belief in your ability to handle future challenges. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Surround yourself with positive influences. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your mindset. Actively seek out and surround yourself with people who are positive, supportive, and inspiring. These are individuals who believe in your potential, challenge you to grow, and celebrate your successes. Limit your exposure to negativity, whether it comes from people, media, or your own internal dialogue. Your inner circle should be a source of strength and encouragement, not drain your energy. Remember the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Develop a daily success routine. Consistency is the bedrock of lasting change. Develop a daily routine that incorporates practices that nurture your mindset and propel you towards your goals. This could include meditation, journaling, reading inspiring books, exercising, or planning your day with intention. The specific elements of your routine will vary, but the key is to create habits that consistently reinforce a positive, proactive, and growth-oriented mindset. Small, consistent actions compound over time, leading to significant transformations. The Unstoppable You, a lifetime journey. Unleashing your inner power is not a one-time event, but a lifelong journey of self-discovery, growth, and continuous refinement. There will be moments of doubt, setbacks, and times when your resolve is tested. But with the right mindset, these challenges become opportunities to deepen your understanding of yourself and strengthen your inner resilience. Embrace the process. Celebrate your progress and trust in the incredible power that resides within you. You are capable of far more than you know, and by consciously cultivating an unstoppable mindset, you can transform your dreams into reality. Your mindset is the most powerful tool you possess for creating a life of extraordinary success and fulfillment. By believing in your limitless potential, embracing failure as feedback, maintaining unwavering focus, taking proactive action, and cultivating gratitude, you can unleash an inner power that makes you truly unstoppable. Remember, the journey begins within. Like this video if you found these insights valuable, share it with anyone who needs to unlock their inner strength, and subscribe to The Shifted Lens for more transformative content. Your potential is boundless, and the time to unleash it is now.